the Breville Bread Maker. Not bad, works quite well, this one. I've had it for a month or so now, made quite a few loaves of bread, and you'll get to see how it performs.
I've sped the unboxing part up because it does take quite a while. As you can see on the box, there's nothing much to really look at. The first thing that comes out is the warranty card, so we'll have a quick look at that. And the next bit is the instruction manual, and we'll look at that in detail. And as always, you can pause the video at any time if you see anything of interest and have a bit of a read, and then continue watching the video after. We're back to the unboxing part again, and as you can see, it took a bit to get it out. So we throw away the bits and pieces we don't need. And finally we get to the important bits. Now this is what actually came in the box itself. We have this little container that you can put in nuts and fruits, drops into the back there. It's on a preset timer, so the little trapdoor will open and drop the ingredients into the mix. This is a little two-sided spoon. We have the little measuring jug as well, and we have here a little hook. Now that's for pulling out the paddle, and this is the paddle. It's nicely coated, quite a large one too. We have a little sticker across the front here that's not really needed. You'll first look at the actual bits and pieces, the buttons on the top of the machine itself. Having a look inside, it's actually quite a deep section here.
And this is a 680 gram loaf. I think it's the perfect size for the Breville Bread Maker. It's absolutely perfect. It fits really, really nice. And yeah. Cuts good, tastes good. What more can you ask for? I'll cut it later. And this is a banana loaf that's been baked in the Breville Bread Maker. So we'll have a bit of a look and see what it's come out like. And I'm cutting very awkward at the moment. And let's have a look at that. And that's what it looks like inside. And of course the important thing is, what does it taste like? It's a fairly heavy loaf, but not bad, tastes quite nice.
My overall thoughts on the Breville Bread Maker: it works really well. There's no hidden secrets to get it functioning. Cooks the loaves perfectly, can't argue there, and it's a bit of fun to use actually. I don't mind it. I've made a few loaves, as you can see here. Now hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. If you have, consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'll do my best to answer it. Hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then, bye.